Right now, without even realizing it, you are using cloud computing. Watching this video, your data is most likely passing through a cloud server. But here's the shocking part. 90% of internet users don't actually know what the cloud really is. Some even think it's just some invisible thing floating in the sky. Spoiler alert, it's not. And if you don't understand how the cloud works, you might be missing out on career opportunities, business growth, and even your own data security. So today, let's break it down. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what cloud computing is, but also some hidden facts that even many IT students and professionals don't know. Imagine this. Your phone suddenly crashes, your laptop hard drive fails, and you lose all your files in seconds. Photos, business documents, maybe even that assignment you worked on all night. If you don't know how cloud computing works, you might never recover them. But if you understand the cloud, your data can survive any disaster. And that's just one of its superpowers. The real question is, do you know how to use it properly? So, what exactly is cloud computing? In the simplest words, cloud computing means storing and accessing data, apps, or services over the internet, instead of your local computer. Think of it like this. Instead of buying a powerful laptop, you rent computing power from a giant network of servers owned by companies like Amazon, AWS, Microsoft, Azure, or Google Cloud. These servers are located in massive data centers around the world. Not in the sky, but in real, heavily guarded buildings. When you stream Netflix, upload photos to Google Drive, or even use ChatGPT, congratulations, you're already using cloud computing. But here's the part most people don't know. 1. The cloud isn't free at all. Services like Gmail or Google Photos seem free, but actually you're paying with your data. Companies analyze it for ads, AI training, and more. 2. Cloud creates jobs you haven't heard of. Cloud architects, DevOps engineers, data engineers. These careers are booming globally, with six-figure salaries. By 2030, experts say over 85% of businesses will fully depend on cloud services. 3. The green cloud myth. Many believe cloud computing is eco-friendly because it reduces personal hardware. But huge data centers consume insane amounts of electricity, some as much as small cities. Companies are only now racing to make it sustainable. 4. Cloud wars are real. Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are fighting a billion-dollar battle for cloud dominance. The winner might control the backbone of the entire internet in the future. That's how powerful cloud computing is. So the next time someone asks you, what is the cloud computing? You'll know it's not just a storage space, but the beating heart of the modern digital world. Here's your reward moment. If you master just the basics of cloud services, you could secure a career, protect your data, or even start a business without ever buying expensive infrastructure.